Today we are starting a very good workshop with a fast fashion brand called Banana Club based out of Bangalore. With me is the founding team. I'm going to go to them and ask them what their expectations of this workshop is. Over to you.
Hi, good morning. This is Nilesh here from Banana Club. We are just looking from this workshop is that how the franchisee will come to us as this bracket is of 2 CR investment what we are looking. And as we have heard that most of them come within 50 lakh bracket or 20 lakh bracket. So that one satisfaction we need from your side that how this will help us. And second, what are the exit plans? Because most of them I've heard that the franchisee and franchisor have a dispute because of the exit clause. So these are the things we want to look today.
Great. So we're going to cover the modeling in terms of whether the investment is ideal for a 2 crore investment. And then we are also looking at the exit strategies in terms of how easily any franchisee can not only get out of the system, but stay in the system, flourish in the system. Also, if in case they want to get out, then they should easily be able to get out, right? We'll cover those points. Great. Over to you.
Hi, I'm Dheeraj Bhavna. So I would like to understand by the end of this session that how both the company and the investors will be in a win-win situation, and it has to be a sustainable model for both of us, not just 3 years, 5 years. It should be even 10 years, and whether as a company, if this succeeds, should I be looking only in this model, or should I also have a hybrid model of my own stores as well as franchise stores? And the model, of course, what kind of model we should have, whether we should operate or they should operate, and the various models of franchise, we would like to have an understanding of what is the final model that we would conclude with. That's it.
Yeah, these are typically the quintessential chartered accountant questions coming from the numbers side. Also, a very important point is whether we should follow a hybrid model. If it's successful, should we only look at franchisees, or should we also look at company-owned outlets? We'll cover that in very extensively. I'll also cover different types of model for COFO. There are different permutations and combinations. We'll see what works best for us. And by the end of the day, you'll be very clear, yes, this is what can work for us. All right. So we'll cover those models. Of course, the numbers have to be sustainable, have to be workable for both sides. We'll cover those numbers extensively. So financial modeling is something that we're going to delve into today's workshop for sure. Over to you.
Hi, I'm Rahul. So as Banana Club, so we are a very ambitious brand, and we would want to grow aggressively and be a top men's fashion apparel brand very soon. So we would want to understand from the workshop that how can we align our vision through the franchising model, and how can we make it happen, let's say next 4 years, 5 years, and what is the roadmap to it?
Yes, franchising works brilliantly for aggressive expansion. The start is generally slow, but once you catch the formula, you'll really, it'll catapult you to a global brand. It has the potential to take you global, and at the same time, give wings to the aspirations that you have to be able to expand at the speed that you want to expand. So we're going to understand how this will get unlocked. It sounds easy on the surface, but what goes on the back end to be able to give you those wings. We'll cover those points today for sure. Great. So it seems like it's going to be an exciting day today. We'll get started with the workshop and take things forward from here. Thank you. We did a very interesting workshop with Banana Club. With me is the entire founding team. We'll go and take their feedback from this workshop. Over to you.
So what feedback I've got from this is having a good backend team. Maybe we have a nice HR team, a good store manager. These points maybe I'll just implement in the stores now. Next.
Done. We'll go to you.
Hi. So my main point was before this workshop was how the investor will come, and how safe he will be and how safe we will be when we are opening store with them, and of course when he has invested a huge amount of investment. So yeah, now these queries which we had and how Amit has solved, so it makes us feel safe now, and we think if this will work, the formulas of margin or the exit plan or the how does we have to approach the franchisee, what yes to be said and what no to be said. So yeah, quite a things have been sorted, and it was a good workshop. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I had questions whether, I had doubts whether how attractive this structure can be. So with the discussion that we had, now I think the the format or the model that we are going to work out will definitely be an attractive model for the investor's point of view. And also, we've learned that what we may have to be prepared with in terms of our back-end team. So it has given me a fair idea and cleared a lot of doubts in terms of the finances. So yeah, I'm happy about it, and I think maybe in a week time we should be concluding on all the pointers that we have for franchising.
Great. We good.
It was a great discussion on a macro and a micro level on how we're going to move ahead. I think now we are more structured on how our next 5 years would look like now.
Great. All right. So I think we've completed this workshop. We will reconnect again in a few days from now. And I'm very excited about what we can do for Banana Club. And I'm very confident that this is going to be one of the most successful fast fashion retail brand in India using the franchise model. I'm very, very excited with this team. Thank you so much.